Hey guys, Katie here with another episode of AFI's DIYs. On today's episode, we'll be making a very useful product, hair conditioning cream. It's a super nourishing product and can repair damage in your hair. It's such a common product, why wouldn't you want to add it to your line? Let's check out the recipe. All you need for supplies are a double boiler and hot plate, mixing utensil, hand mixer, and a container to hold your product. And you'll also need the following ingredients: 49.4% or 1 cup of olive oil, 49.4% or 1 cup of shea butter, 1% or 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, 0.2% or 30 drops of fragrance. AFI's fragrance library has thousands of fragrances to choose from, but today I'll be using Violet Tulip. It's a refreshing scent that I think would be perfect for this product. Wow, I wish you guys could smell this amazing scent. Okay, let's get started. This product is surprisingly easy to make. First, combine your shea butter and olive oil to your double boiler. Melt the two together. Great, once this is done, remove it from the heat and allow the mixture to cool until it is mostly solid. We recommend putting it in the fridge. Now mix it with your hand mixer. It should peak like this. Next, add your vitamin E oil. Then, last but certainly not least, add your fragrance. Combine this well with your mixer. All that's left to do is transfer it into your container. If you like this product, be sure to check out our shower steamer DIY. It's another great product to have in your shower. We made this product for about $1. It can go wholesale for $2 to $3 and retail for $5 to $6, depending on the size and quantity. Thanks for watching another AFI DIY. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe so you can see more tutorials. I'm Katie, and I'll see you guys next time.